Think you can't afford Southfield School? Think again. We know finding the right school and providing the best education for your child strikes at the heart of every parent. Southfield School pledges to work with each family to provide an extraordinary education that suits every unique budget and family situation. With the introduction of our new variable tuition program, Southfield School is more affordable than you can imagine. Through endowments and support from our annual fund, no family pays the full cost of educating a child, ever. We've developed a plan to match our tuition rate to your income, making the area's leading private school attainable for more families. Using a secure third-party application process, we utilize data you self-submit to create a sliding scale tuition model based on a variety of factors that include household size, income, and military status. Voted Shreveport's best private school, Southfield cultivates curiosity, character, and kindness, and fosters a lifelong love of learning. Our secure environment surrounds the whole child on a journey through a challenging curriculum. When you join the Southfield family of educators, faculty, and parents, we work collectively to create an academic experience that is both nurturing and stimulating. It is a place where preschool through 8th grade children can excel. We stand behind our pledge to make this outstanding educational opportunity affordable for as many students as possible. Apply today and make a priceless investment in your child's future.